In this video, I'm going to put the motor back in the floor machine I got it out of. I'm going to document this just so I know how I did it. Only 4 bolts hold it in, but it's kind of an odd system from what I found when I took it out. Gear goes through there. It's a little tight fit, but not bad. I need to remember the wires came out of the top of this, so the motor went like this in this direction with the bottom here with the weld or whatever that is. And I'm going to put a couple nuts in to start them so I can... Actually, the first thing I need to do is get the chain mounted back onto the cog and the wheel and the motor. I don't know if I'll be able to do that later. That's on. I'm going to try not to obstruct the view too much here. Okay, got one nut starting. And then I got another nut. And then start the 2 top ones first, I think. Okay, that one started. I'm gonna finger tighten them as far as I can. I'll get them too tight I can't because I need to adjust the back. Still put 2 more nuts in. Or 2 more bolts rather. This is where I had some issue before. And I think this nut bolts in the wrong place. This one has washers, with one that doesn't, I think goes with the tensioner mechanism. There's one bolt down here that's kind of hard to get out because it goes underneath the chain. This bolt's being a little ornery. Kind of like I suspected. Come on. This one doesn't seem to want to start. I'm going to have to get this tensioner put in, I guess. Maybe that'll help. This is a tensioner bar. this is kind of how it was set up before. The tensioner was on that bolt, and there's a channel here, and all four of those that this pulls up on and puts tension on the chain. I have one more bolt to put in that's being stubborn. I think that's pretty much a good summary of how this has to go in. I need to tighten these down. Actually, I need to put that bolt in, tighten them down somewhat. Then I need to turn this to pull the slack out of the chain. Tighten down the lock nut here. This is sort of similar to like an idler pulley, although it's just pulling the motor. There's no real idler pulley or idler cog or anything. I'll make another video if I can get this thing fired up.